The Egyptian Industrial Firm Behavior Survey is a freshly collected and unique data set of 2,383 Egyptian manufacturing firms. It is the first of its sort to contribute to our systematic understanding of the behavior and nature of the industrial firm in Egypt. It so complements the picture provided by the series of labor market panel surveys in Egypt from 1988 to 2018. Egyptian labor market panel surveys provided only one side of the coin, namely labor supply. Labor demand remains systematically hidden. The questionnaire includes 14 modules, from firm size to firm performance, to pandemic transmission channels, management characteristics, ownership characteristics, the use of IT, innovation, global value chains, exports, government support and worker training, and many more. IDOS, through its BMZ's Middle East and North Africa project, has provided funding for this survey, and so it has pioneered this innovative and overdue effort in the region. My co-authors and myself have so far published 6 papers based on this data set. One of them is out in the Journal of Development Studies, a top development journal. As part of my commitment to support research in the region, I have made sure that the data set is placed in the public domain as swiftly as possible. The EIFBS launch event will take place on the 3rd of May during the upcoming Economic Research Forum's annual conference. So stay tuned to access the data.